Hello everyone. I bet you couldn't find anyone who doesn't love pizza. But there is always question how to cook a good pizza at home. The most important part of the pizza is its bread. In Italy, they usually make the pizza dough in two ways, biga and Polish. My favorite method is Polish and I want to teach that way to you today. But you should know that the Polish method, the pizza dough needs between 16 to 24 hours to be prepared. So if you want to eat pizza tomorrow night, you should start it today. I want to make two pizza, and you should know that each pizza is 250 grams of dough. So I need 500 grams of ingredient, and 200 grams is for Polish and 300 grams is I will add it tomorrow. I want to start. So let's start. I will pour 100 grams of lukewarm water into the container, and then I will add dry yeast. So I will mix it, and then you should add 1 teaspoon of sugar or honey. There's no difference, but I prefer sugar. It makes the yeast to convert it to life. So I will mix it very well, and then I'll add 100 grams of flour. Just put the container lid on top of that and close it very tightly. Just be aware, choose a container that has a space on top of the Polish mixture, because you should know that after this time the mixture will rise up. So I will put this container 1 hour in room temperature, and I'll take it to the fridge after 1 hour till tomorrow. Hello guys, today I took our Polish from the fridge 1 hour ago. I put it in room temperature to become a little bit warmer. Let's see, our Polish has doubled up its size. What a fantastic dough we have. Alright, we should start. We have 100 grams of water. Also we have 200 grams of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and also we have flour and olive oil to help you easily knead the dough. So let's start. I just want 200 cc of water. All right. Alright, I will add salt here. Mix all together. Just clean the edge. Alright. I will add 200 grams of flour here. Mix all the things very well. Alright, I will add the rest. Just remember, just take it out and bring it in. Alright, this is the way of kneading. At this time, the dough is sticky, so you should let the dough rest for 15 to 30 minutes. This is a very, very important step. Just remember this golden time. It's very important for your dough. So I will let the dough rest for 15 to 30 minutes and I will come back again. So I'll see you later. So here we are after 30 minutes that we let the dough rest. Now we can finalize the dough. I just put the glass bowl here. Before you start anything and your hands is not dirty, just spray the olive oil in the glass bowl. And also on top of the dough. And your hands. Alright. What a perfect dough that we have. Just let me. Alright. Just do the same as I will do. This is a circular movement. You know, at this time the dough is not sticky. I told you, we should let the dough absorb the water. Alright, I think our dough is ready. So, at this time, I will transfer the dough here. Alright, so, spray it down. Alright, I will do this. So, let's wrap it up. So, and let's cut it through. All right. At this time, we should let the dough rest for another 3 to 4 hours. It depends on your room temperature. Meanwhile, I will be preparing the tomato sauce for our delicious margherita pizza. Here we are after 3 hours. Look at our dough. Look at its bubbles. Wow. So, let's start to cook a pizza. Oh, just, I remember, at first I told you guys that I want to cook two small pizza. Each of this pizza needs 250 grams of dough. So I decided to cook the double size. So I use all of the dough for just one pizza. So, let's open this cover. And, oh, I forgot. I should spray the olive oil. Alright, so let's dust some flour. This is a mixture of semolina and also the simple flour. So, at this step, we should wait another 15 to 30 minutes to sow some bubbles into the dough. So I will come back after 30 minutes to prepare our margherita pizza. So here we are after 30 minutes. As you could see, the dough has risen again. Just one note that I've already turned the oven 1 hour earlier, turned it on, and I set it at the highest degree. You should know that the perfect pizza needs the preheated and hot oven. So let's start. I will use again the semolina and the simple flour. You should start from the middle and through it outside like this. As you could see, I make that bubbles outside. Look at these bubbles. That's a perfect dough. Wow. Alright, so as you can see, I put through all the bubbles from the outside, these kind of edges. So I made my tomato sauce and I will add it to this one. So this is my way of cooking pizza sauce. I will show you in other videos to how to cook the pizza sauce. So I will add the tomato sauce. Let's cooking pizza is happening in two parts. So the first part, I will just add the tomato sauce into the dough and put it in the oven, and it takes 3 to 5 minutes depending on the temperature of your oven, and then I take it out and add cheese. I love too much tomato sauce. Oh, that's perfect. So I will put this into the oven and I will come back. So now the first part of the cooking pizza is done. Now I will add the fresh mozzarella cheese. Alright, I will add some oregano. And add some olive oil into the edges. Alright, I'll take the pizza for the last part of cooking into the oven. So here are margherita pizza. So, and let's cut it through for you. Wow, what a dough. Alright, look at this pizza. So, here we are, our first pizza in our channel. So please stay with us and subscribe our channel. See you guys later.